Oh shoot.
Yay! Yay! Finally, bro, I have 100.
I didn't even do my intro.
What do you guys say?
Hello guys, this is Check Your 188. 188.
Oh no.
Today we're playing some Escape Baboon. And as you don't know, I have a very
Yo, Pink, can I have that phone on your face?
technique.
Hi guys.
Bro, you were playing on my
Guys, I don't think we're safe here.
I am playing the game.
Guys, we're not safe.
That's what I mean by Spider-Man.
Dude.
Take this.
What are they doing? Okay. Everyone, go to pool rooms. Everyone,
pool
I
rooms,
repeat,
pool
go
rooms,
to
come
pool
on.
rooms. Oh, you still feel like animation? Come on, everyone, go to pool rooms. Go, go, go. I don't care. Stop, please. I don't care. Everyone, go to pool rooms. Go, go, go. I don't get up.
You wanted to go to the pool rooms.
Yeah. Everyone in, everyone in. Get up, get up. Get on. Guys, stop bringing it up.
I don't know what
Everyone,
that
don't
is.
stop.
Yo, where's purple?
Stop bringing it.
Purple.
Bring it up, bring it up.
Purple. Emma.
Okay, so if you press the...
Oh no!
Okay.
No!
Man,
You guys, let everyone go out now.
Stop
it!
Stop.
Everyone go to pools. No!
You press, so on this side, it will show...
Okay.
Okay.